afternoon, or evening. Good those too. We're looking at customary conversion. I don't think we're working with weight today. I think we're just working with length today. But it says length and weight, but I think it's just length. So when we're looking at customary length, we're looking over here. So 12 inches is 1 foot, 3 feet is 1 yard, and 1,760 yards is 1 mile. So 12 inches becomes 1 foot. If you have 3 feet, it's 1 yard. And then if you have 1,760 yards, it's 1 mile. All right, so those are the customary length conversions that we will use during this exercise. So which one doesn't belong? So try and figure out. I think one of the best ways to do this would be figure out all of these in the same unit of measure. So as you can see, this is 3 feet, this is in inches, this is in yards, and this is in yards too. All right, so I would probably start off by putting these all in yards or putting these all in feet and seeing what happens. So go ahead and give that a shot and then come back and check. All right, so we're going to start off with 3 feet. Since these two are already in yards, I think that I might just turn it into yards. So let's check it out. So 3 feet, if I go to my star cheat sheet, 3 feet is 1 yard. So that's actually an easy one. This is 1 yard. So we're looking at 1 yard right here. 2 times 18 inches. Let's go ahead and figure out how many inches that is. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1. So that's 36 inches. So we can use our star cheat sheet once again. 12 inches is 1 foot. So let's go ahead and take 36 and divide it by 12. And that will tell us how many feet. And then we'll take our foot amount and turn it into yards. So 36 divided by 12 tells us how many feet. So 36 divided by 12, there's 3 groups of 12 and 36, so that's 3 feet. And then remember, if we look at our star cheat sheet, 3 feet equals 1 yard. So once again, we're looking at 1 yard. All right. On this one, 3 times 1 yards. 3 times 1 is 3. So this one's 3 yards. And then this one is 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. So basically that means 3/3, which means 1 whole. So this one is also 1 yard. So which one doesn't belong? B. B is 3 yards. The rest of them are 1 yard. So the one that is not the same as B. So this is a statue of Sam Houston. Sam Houston was a famous Texan, part of the Battle of the Alamo. You might have learned about him in 4th grade. Now, the question is, how many real Sam Houstons would it take to be as tall as his statue? Now, you see these are the size of the normal people. So let's find out how tall the real Sam Houston was. The real Sam Houston was 6 foot 6 inches. The statue of Sam Houston is 67 feet, and it's also 10 feet on a pedestal. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to figure out how many groups of 6 feet and 6 inches will be equivalent to 77 feet. All right. So if we are going from feet and inches, first thing you might want to do is start adding the feet together. All right. So let's think about this. 6 feet times 10 would be 60 feet. So that might be a good place to start, is 6 feet times 10. So we're going to have to multiply 6 feet times 10 and also 6 inches times 10 to find out how many inches and how many feet. All right, so 6 times 10, 6 feet times 10 is 60 feet. And 6 inches times 10 is 60 inches. Now, let's turn the inches into feet. And then that way we know how many feet we have altogether. And then we can add some more groups of 6 feet and 6 inches. All right, so far we have 60 feet and 60 inches. So we're going to figure out how many feet are in 60 inches and then see how much more we have to go in the next video.